The stream is starting soon. CFR is hitting the road. Storm clouds may be near. We are in the eye of the storm. Let's ride this storm together. Starting soon. CFR is hitting the road. Storm clouds may be near. We are in the eye of the storm. Let's ride this storm together. The stream is starting soon. CFR is hitting the road. Storm clouds may be near. We are in the eye of the storm. Let's ride this storm together. Starting soon. CFR is hitting the road. Storm clouds may be near. We are in the eye of the storm. Let's ride this storm together. The stream is starting soon. CFR is hitting the road. Storm clouds may be near. We are in the eye of the storm. Let's ride this storm together. This is a CFR storm chasing severe weather coverage live stream. Live stream severe weather coverage starts now. Using radar Omega. From our chasers out in the storm. With team coverage here is Damon Claude and the CFR storm chasing team.
And good afternoon,
Attention,
everyone. I'm Damon Claude, CFR Storm Chasing, doing a live stream with you real quick. Going to be on for a few minutes with you, just to talk about what's going on here, mainly here in Western Kentucky. We have a little bit of a different situation than we normally have, and that is because the National Weather Service office in Paducah is actually offline right now. We are fortunate here in Western Kentucky. Normally, if one radar isn't working, we have another radar over here at Fort Campbell that is normally working, and both radars are down this afternoon. So that is why the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Louisville are issuing warnings for our area this afternoon. We do have two warnings to talk about right now. We do need ground reports over here of what is actually going on, because we are having to use the radar down here in Nashville right now to see what's going on up here in Western Kentucky.
Has been issued.
Also has severe thunderstorm warnings being issued out in Kansas. We're going to get to that momentarily. I do want to focus on here in Western Kentucky. That is where most of our followers right now are from, and we have this awkward situation of having radars down. So let's go off the best that we can here again, using the radar in National Weather Service in Nashville. So we have the first warning here. That's in effect for another 10 minutes. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 for Carlisle and south central Ballard counties here in Western Kentucky. At 6:18, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bardwell, moving to the east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard is 60-mile-an-hour wind gust, quarter-size hail. Is a radar-indicated threat. Max hail size is 1 inch. Again, radar indicated for 60-mile-an-hour winds as well with that storm. Just to the north, we have another severe thunderstorm warning. That's in effect for another 9 minutes. The National Weather Service Forecast Office in Louisville issuing this morning. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45. Southeastern Ballard County and southwestern McCracken County. At 6:22, a severe thunderstorm is located over Barwell, or moving to the east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard is 60-mile-an-hour wind gust and quarter-size hail. So what we need out here is some ground truth of what is actually going on. We don't have any chasers out here in the field right now that are anywhere close to these storms over here in far western Kentucky. But what we are concerned about is what is actually going on, because again, we are.
Attention! A new special weather statement has been issued.
Let's see exactly how far we are from this radar site to where these storms are.
Attention! A new special weather statement has been issued.
So 135 miles is what we're looking like here. From where these storms actually are located, from what we are getting a radar reading from. So that is in a way, I think, right now, why these are looking so mean and so vicious on radar right now, is because we are not getting a good ground truth of what's going on underneath us here. So if you are in these areas, know anyone in these areas, you're seeing us live right now, send a comment in, send us a message over on Facebook, let us know what you're seeing out here in parts of McCracken County and parts of Bardwell County. Over here in far western Kentucky, we have another shower up here, of course, close to Clay County, up here in Clay and Providence area, just to the west of Madisonville. My goodness, y'all, I've been struggling with allergies over the last couple of days. I'm sure a lot of people have. With the dryness that we've had, with the cutting of hay around, it has been a whirlwind over the last couple of days with allergies here. So we do have other severe thunderstorm warnings out here in our western areas. Actually, tornado warning over here in Colorado. That's outside of our area, but we have a severe thunderstorm warnings here in Kansas to talk about. It's actually considerable threat tag over here for another 30 minutes. 60-mile-an-hour winds, but golf ball size hail over here in Kansas. This is going to be for southwestern Smith County in north central Kansas, southeastern Arbonne County in north central Kansas until 7:15. At 6:24, severe thunderstorm was located over Harlan, or 20 miles to the east of Pilanesberg, moving to the east of 10 miles
Attention,
an hour.
A new special marine warning has been issued.
So this is a observed hail threat over here in Kansas, considerable threat tag, severe thunderstorm warning. Behind that one, we have another severe thunderstorm warning of $half size hail with that storm over here in Kansas. So let's move back over here to West Kentucky. So these are moving, see, what did I say here? East at 20 miles an hour. I'm going to do a track on these storms to see where they're headed to next. I'm going to do a custom path at 20 miles an hour. My goodness, that was a mess. Alright, let's try that again. Why is it doing this? Okay, here we go. So let's get some times up here. Paducah 7:18. Fancy Farm at 7:21. Reedland 7:24. Simpsonia 7:28. Mayfield 7:39. Smithland 7:51. Calvert City 7:54. Benton 7:59. Land Between the Lakes National Recreation Area 8:56 this evening. Katie's at 9:21 if it holds together. And then headed over toward Cerulean area, 9:40. Dawson Springs, 9:45. Crofton in Christian County at 10:17 if it holds together. Could speed up, could slow down.
New information. This severe thunderstorm
We're going to see what they do with the severe
updated.
thunderstorm warnings here momentarily. They will be going off here at another 3 minutes. The current warnings, we'll see if they extend that out. The warnings are, the storm system itself is pushing off to the east of that warning. So we're going to see if they extend that warning out or not here momentarily. But again, just watching this closely due to the fact that we don't have any close radar proximity here to these storms. You can tell both are red here for the Paducah and Fort Campbell. It's a rare instances here that we don't have a good radar, but we are going off the radar here in Nashville this evening to give you the best that we can, to get best picture of things as we can on radar. So we're going to give this another 2 minutes. We should be getting new warnings being issued if they are going to issue new ones. We do have a flood watch that is out for a good portion of the area. That is in effect for different times, for different areas. We did post that earlier this morning. I believe they have extended it somewhat over into western Kentucky a little bit more. But a big time flood watch in effect for the next several days. Next day or two at least, for a good portion of western Kentucky, Tennessee, southern Illinois, Missouri.
New information.
Well here,
this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Again, we're just waiting for another 1 minute here. We're going to see if the National Weather Service in Louisville issues these warnings out again.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
The warnings have dropped off. They have expired, so let's see if they're going to issue new ones here. Maybe taking them just a minute to get those out. Again, they're covering a large area from Louisville over here in western Kentucky, so they're having to get things together here. So give them just a little bit extra time. These storms don't look any different on radar than they did. So let's see what they're going to do here. And there could be even a little bit of rotation here. I'm not going to try to decipher this being so far away from radar. It would just be unrealistic. I'm telling you, there's a possibility that there is here, just to the west of Fancy Farm. Do I know that for sure? I don't, because I can't see. There's no way of knowing that this far away. So we're going to see what the National Weather Service here in Louisville does as far as warnings go. Just be ready for strong winds, a little bit of hail, and the possibility of a tornado, spin up tornado here from Clinton into Graves County, up through McCracken County, over toward the Reedland area. Eventually, this is going to get over toward Murray and Benton as well, here in western Kentucky. So, again, we're just watching to see what the Weather Service does here. If we're just joining us, we're in a little bit of an awkward situation here because we don't have a good radar picture here in western Kentucky. This is why we're focusing here on us, our core region, is because we don't have a good radar picture here of what is actually going on. We did have some warnings up. Those warnings have since expired. We're waiting on to see if the National Weather Service office over in Louisville, Kentucky is going to extend or issue any other warnings here after they just expired. If you know anyone over here in western Kentucky and they're under these storms, they're about to be under these storms, let them know. We would like to know
this
what
flash flood warning has been
here,
updated.
Just because we don't have radar. I mean, it would be nice to get some ground truth of what's going on over here. I wish our chasers were a little bit closer right now, but Josh, I believe, still working his day job today, and not anywhere close to it. Ross, of course, down in Tennessee, so he's not anywhere close to it. And I'm here in Trigg, but I'm watching this with you here on radar, so doing what I can from here, anyways, to try to get you all a little bit of information that we do have.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Trying to see if I can get any kind of a wind reading, but again, it's just too far away from radar. Just not able to do anything with that, really. Let's do another track on these. Again, they were moving at 20. We're going to expect that they're still doing 20.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. Attention, a new special marine warning has been issued. New information, this severe thunderstorm warning
again,
has been
Paducah
updated.
7:31, Simpsonia 7:33, Reedland 7:33, Mayfield 7:38, Benton 8:03, Smithland at 8:04, Hardin 8:18, Grand Rivers at 8:21, Eddyville 8:49, Land Between the Lakes Recreational Area 9 p.m. This holds together. Fredonia at 9:01, Princeton at 9:22, Cadiz at 9:27. If this holds together, Cerulean 9:47, Dawson Springs 9:30 or 9:55 rather. Hopkinsville at 10:25. That is, if this holds together. And it could be a little bit before that, that is what we're getting right now off of our radar estimation.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
So let's see what we got going on over here now. Some giant hail over here going on. So look, a considerable threat tag here over here in Kansas. This is again for southeastern Smith and northeastern Brown counties here in Kansas. Under severe thunderstorm warning, considerable threat tag for that hail size up to golf ball size hail possible with that storm. At this time, we don't have any warnings issued here in Western Kentucky that I am seeing here on my radar. I'm going to try to see.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
That's not for our area.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Yeah, right now it doesn't look like we have any warnings out there. Just double checking the National Weather Service actual page, or not page, but web page, to make sure I'm not getting any lag here. The system is not showing anything either. Strongest part of the activity now, from what we can see, it's coming into Fancy Farm. It's going to be in northern Graves County, over toward the Hickman or Hickory area rather. So over toward the State Police Post 1 over here. Sampsonia area would be in the strongest portion of the storm. Fancy Farm being impacted right about now. So if you know anybody over here, Fancy Farm here on the Graves County line. That is where the strongest portion of this activity is at this point.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
But just not getting any new warnings right now from the National Weather Service. Again, we're waiting on warnings to be issued by the National Weather Service Forecast Office over in Louisville due to radars being down here in Western Kentucky. We're going to take a break. We'll be back with you, and we'll go from there.
You're watching severe weather coverage from CFR Storm Chasing using Radar Omega. From our chasers out in the storms, CFR Storm Chasing rides the storms out with you. CFR, formerly SWKSS, now covers a wider area than ever. When severe weather breaks out, CFR is here. Online and on the ground. Our severe weather update videos keeps you informed days in advance of severe weather. A CFR Storm Chasing severe weather alert signals a potentially catastrophic and life-threatening severe weather event, warranting heightened attention and caution. It is crucial to closely monitor our primary Facebook page and other media outlets for critical updates, and to have a NOAA weather radio readily accessible to stay abreast of rapidly evolving weather situations. Watch versus warning. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. Severe thunderstorm warning means that a severe thunderstorm with winds of 58 miles per hour or greater and/or hail of 1 inch in diameter has been indicated by radar and confirmed by weather spots. If outdoors, move indoors on its lowest level. Stay away from doors and windows. Remember that severe thunderstorms can occasionally produce tornado. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should stay alert to severe weather information and possible warnings by following media outlets, internet sources or NOAA Weather Radio for the latest severe weather information. A tornado warning means a tornado has been indicated by radar or confirmed by weather. A tornado is in progress. Take action now to protect your life. Move to a basement or lowest floor and interior room. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck. Take position for greatest safety by crouching on knees, head down with hands locked at back of neck. This should also be done kneeling against the interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you are in a mobile home, take action and move to a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you are in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no building nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch. Never take shelter under an overpass in a severe thunderstorm or tornado. Be ready. How can I be ready for severe weather to impact my area? 1. Stay informed by using a weather radio, ORTV, and trusted online sources. 2. Have all medications and special needs ready to take to shelter with you. 3. First aid kit and disaster supply kit ready to take to shelter. 4. Knowing where you are going to take shelter well ahead of any severe weather and make sure everyone in your family knows the plan and where that might be. 5. Have a flashlight and extra batteries. 6. Make sure all devices are charged and ready to go. CFR Storm Chasing would like to recognize WKY Tech Solutions for helping CFR with our new system and our IT needs. We would highly recommend them for any IT needs you may have. Located in Mayfield, Kentucky, find WKY Tech Solutions on Facebook or Google today. And now here is Damon Claude and the CFR team back with more severe weather information.
All right, we're back with you. We still don't have any new warnings here in Western Kentucky
a new
as of
severe
yet.
thunderstorm warning
This
has been
activity
issued.
still does look rather strong. It's moving in through here, Fancy Farm
Attention,
area.
a new radar indicated tornado warning has been issued.
From Lone Oak.
Attention,
Down
a new
through,
severe
St.
thunderstorm warning has
John's.
been issued.
It's going to be coming through, going toward the Hickory area shortly. That's going to be the
New information,
strongest
this
part of
severe
this activity.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
As of right now, that's going to push into the Mayfield area shortly. It's going to come in through from Reedland down to Sonia, eventually reaching Benton and Murray, Kentucky here. And then eventually through Land Between the Lakes and over through the Cadiz area.
Attention, a new special
But
weather
that
statement
is a long
has
ways
been
off
issued.
as of right now. Again, the radars are being down here in Western Kentucky, so we're not able to get a good, clear picture. But the National Weather Service office in Louisville is on top of things. They have already issued warnings for this. Don't have any active warnings right now. So, be mindful of that. Warnings will go off if they issue new ones. It's going to continue to watch this.
New information.
For the
this
remainder of the
severe
evening.
thunderstorm warning has been
Whether
updated.
or not we'll go back live, I'm not sure. I'm going to be stepping out here shortly again. But if you do get into these storms, you do get a warning. Please report what you see either to us or to the National Weather Service directly. Either way, that's looking even stronger. Okay, we're going to stay on for now. I was going to go off, but we're going to stay on for a little bit longer. What is my radar doing? Well, it's giving me a warning that I'm up
Attention,
here.
a new special weather statement has been issued.
Yeah, another radar. It's pretty cool. But anyways, this is looking a little bit stronger now, especially toward Fancy Farm here, and then over toward the Hickory area. I'm pretty sure they're probably going to issue a new warning here. If they don't, I'll be quite surprised. It's so frustrating not being able to actually do what we normally do and have a better idea of what's going on to tell you all.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been
And a
issued.
new severe thunderstorm warning over in Kansas again. They're issuing warnings over here
Attention,
again.
a new severe thunderstorm
Giant
warning
hail.
has been issued.
Being issued over here. Got 1-inch hail over here in Kansas right now. Considerable threat tag to the north of that warning up here in Kansas. We talked about that earlier. Golf ball size hail over there in Kansas as well. But again, due to the radar outage, we are focusing on Western Kentucky here, our core region, and trying to do the best we can with this system that's moving through right now here in Western Kentucky. And have had warnings on this system. As of right now, we don't have any warnings as of yet. I would be quite surprised if they don't issue a new warning. It's 7:03 here in Western Kentucky, Central Standard Time. Don't have any. Let's just check this out here. The Storm Prediction Center. No mesoscale discussions.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Man, it's looking quite strong here. Fixing to come into Hickory out of Fancy Farm. You know anyone in Fancy Farm?
New information, this severe
And your
thunderstorm
Fancy
warning
Farm,
has been updated.
Over to Hickory. Let us know what you're seeing, especially also coming up here in the Lone Oak area, McCracken County. Looking strong once again. Again, be quite surprised if they don't issue a new warning here momentarily. But again, it's just so frustrating not being able to get a closer picture of what's happening here.
New information, this special marine warning has been updated. Attention, this flash flood warning has been updated. Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Attention, a new considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Let's go back over here to Kansas for a minute. We got a new considerable severe thunderstorm warning being issued over here. I believe it is that one. It is. Let's go back and see if we can get a radar up. Over here, so Clawwalker City, under this warning, let's see what all we've got here. National Weather Service in Huntington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Marshall County in north central Kansas, southwestern Jewell County and north central Kansas, southwestern Smith County and north central Kansas, northeastern Auburn County and north central Kansas. And that's until 7:45. At 7:06, severe thunderstorm was located over downs or 25 miles to the west of Bullitt, moving to the east at 20 miles an hour. It is golf ball size hail on 60-mile-an-hour wind gust, and both of those are radar indicated. We're here in Kansas right now. Let's go back to western Kentucky. There we go. This is looking quite strong. I don't know why they haven't issued a new warning here. I think I would have.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
So again, coming here to Hickory, that's already through Fancy Farm. Mayfield, get ready.
Attention, a new flash flood warning has been issued. Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
And we're just watching and waiting here for another warning to be issued. if they are going to issue one. But it is looking quite strong. I'm not sure why they wouldn't. Quite surprised they haven't already.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
All right, we're going to take one more break and give them a chance to issue this if they are going to. And we'll be back with you after that, and we'll make a decision whether we're going to stay on or not.
You're watching severe weather coverage from CFR Storm Chasing using Radar Omega. From our chasers out in the storms, CFR Storm Chasing rides the storms out with you.
New information.
The CFR, formerly SWKSS, now covers a wider area than ever. When severe weather breaks out, CFR is here. Online and on the ground. Our severe weather update videos keeps you informed days in advance of severe weather. A CFR Storm Chasing severe weather alert signals a potentially catastrophic and life-threatening severe weather event, warranting heightened attention and caution. It is crucial to closely monitor our primary Facebook page and other media outlets for critical updates, and to have a NOAA weather radio readily accessible to stay abreast of rapidly evolving weather situations. Watch versus warning. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. Severe thunderstorm warning means that a severe thunderstorm with winds of 58 miles per hour or greater and/or hail of 1 inch in diameter has been indicated by radar and confirmed by weather spots. If outdoors, move indoors on its lowest level. Stay away from doors and windows.
Attention.
Remember that severe thunderstorms can do occasionally produce tornado. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should stay alert to severe weather information and possible warnings by following media outlets, internet sources, or NOAA weather radio for the latest severe weather information. A tornado warning means a tornado has been indicated by radar or confirmed by weather. The tornado is in progress. Take action now to protect your life. Move to a basement or lowest floor and interior room. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck. Take position for greatest safety by crouching on knees, head down with hands locked at back of neck. This should also be done kneeling against the interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you are in a mobile home, take action and move to a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you are in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no building nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch. Never take shelter under an overpass in a severe thunderstorm or tornado. Be ready. How can I be ready for severe weather to impact my area? 1. Stay informed by using a weather radio, ORTV, and trusted online sources. 2. Have all medications and special needs ready to take to shelter with you. 3. First aid kit and disaster supply kit ready to take to shelter. 4. Knowing where you are going to take shelter well ahead of any severe weather, and make sure everyone in your family knows the plan and where that might be. 5. Have a flashlight and extra batteries. 6. Make sure all devices are charged and ready to go. CFR Storm Chasing would like to recognize WKY Tech Solutions for helping CFR with our new system and our IT needs. We would highly recommend them for any IT needs you may have. Located in Mayfield, Kentucky, find WKY Tech Solutions on Facebook or Google today. And now here is Damon Claude and the CFR team back with more severe weather information.
Well, we still do not have new warnings being issued here in Western Kentucky as of yet. Still looks rather strong on radar. Again, if you find yourself underneath these storms, give a report in. It doesn't take too long to do. Go ahead and do that via social media, whether it be to us or to the National Weather Service. We'll be happy to relay any information you send in to us, the National Weather Service. If you can safely do pictures, that's great. But if it's just a quick report that you received any kind of damage or that it's stronger weather, let us know.
Attention,
but
a new
as of
severe
right now,
thunderstorm warning has
no
been
new
issued.
warnings being issued on this. Currently moving through the Hickory area, strongest activity.
New information.
It's going
This
to be pushing
severe
over
thunderstorm warning has
just
been
north
updated.
of Mayfield. We've got another strong portion of this. It's going to be coming through the Derby community just south of Fancy Farm, moving into the city of Mayfield shortly.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been
no
updated.
warnings being issued with this. They were running at 20 miles an hour. We're going to continue that at 20 miles an hour as of right now. I want to go ahead and give you guys a track on this that we have right now. So Mayfield at 738, Benton at 802. If it holds together, Princeton at 923, Katie's 926. If it holds together, east of that, Hopkinsville at 1023, Elkton at 1119, and Greenville at 1120. That is the times that we have right now. Again, run down that list again. Mayfield 758, Benton 802, Princeton 923, Katie's at 926, Hopkinsville at 1023, Elkton 1119, and Greenville at 1120. And right now, no new warnings. We're going to keep an eye on this as best as we can. Due to the radar outage, we can't do a very good job of that. But again, as of right now, the National Weather Service in Paducah and Louisville working together to issue warnings, and right now, no new warnings being issued with this system. So, with that being said, we're going to cut you loose as of right now. If we need to come back live, I'll try to do so. I'm going to step away for a little bit. If not, be looking for posts over on the Facebook page. I'll try to post warnings as they come out the best I can as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, and have a great rest of your day.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
CFR Storm Chasing would like to recognize WKY Tech Solutions for helping CFR with our new system and our IT needs. We would highly recommend them for any IT needs you may have. Located in Mayfield, Kentucky, find WKY Tech Solutions on Facebook or Google today.